So you can see in the valley bottom here all the industrial site and how it's grown. And on the hill up here, nature's thriving, so things can live hand in hand, as you can see. And actually there's quite a lot of tree life in between down there. So Sheffield boasts to be the most green city in Europe. That's partly because part of its boundary goes up into the Peak District National Park on the edges and over into Derbyshire. So it does have a lot of areas, but the central city obviously here is industrial and residential, like with any cities. But what's beauty about it as well, because in the Pennine Hills there's lots of hills, lots of areas that have stayed green, and the council have seemed to have ownership or management of that land, and this Parkwood Springs here, Country Park, is one of those areas, so it's fantastic. So I've got involved with it, so I'm going to continue to get involved in it as I can. You can, if you're interested, just follow that journey and see where my plans lead. And there's some of these fantastic big old rustic benches over here. There's what look like Swedish white beam to me, all burying up. So lots of introduced, and then the ancient broom, and there's areas around here with this name Broome in the name. There's Broome Hill nearby, so you can see that that Broome features heavily in the local landscape and thrives on it, as well as the blackberries. Loads of broom here. Some of the northern oak, northern red oak, and the standard oak tree there. Oh, loose rock face beyond this point. So yeah, I've never been down this part before, so I'm going to have a good explore. So yeah, stay with me, see you in a bit.